I was going to go back inside and something told me to turn around just to see you, baby. Yes. Yes, sweetie. Come. Come, my love. Come, my love. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, sweetie. Good morning. I'm so happy I turned around. I'm so happy I turned around. Azizam, I hear you. Oh, you must be tired. You want to go back in? Huh? I'll take you in. This is Little Rock. Oh, my love, I hear you. Oh, Azizam. Here we go. You ready? You ready? Want to take you a little bit out? Oh, I hear you, sweetie pie. Okay, it's okay. A lot of seaweed. That's why you got caught. Here, you gonna go? You gonna go? Yes. Yes. You got this. You got this. You got this. Yes. Go, my love. Go, my love. It's a lot of seaweed, so we have to go out more. Ooh. Here we go. It's much better here. Much better, my love. Much better. Do you want to go now? Yes. Yes. Yes, Aziza. Yes, baby. You want to go? Ready? Goodbye. Such a blessing this morning. See, there are lots of seaweed, so they get caught. Okay, very good. Very good.